Said you left cause you got in your own way.